wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best magic booster boxes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, explore the birthplace of Chandra Nala in Kaladesh Sealed, where ingenuity and innovation drive the action, and planeswalkers hold the power of creation in their hands. Advance your cause by inventing and animating all sorts of wondrous fabrications and creatures. This one's fun for makers and gearheads, and lets you convert artifacts into vehicles. However, it is focused more on devices than sorcery. At number 9, in Avacyn Restored, the Archangel returns to the Gothic realm of Innistrad to conquer the dark forces that have thrown the plane into chaos during her absence. Using the soul-bound mechanic, players can unite creature pairs to gather strength and defeat the powers of evil. It's a classic angels versus demons dynamic that lets you use miracles to cast low-cost spells. It's ideal for white-heavy decks. Coming in at number 8 on our list, in Dragons of Tarkir, the final episode of the Khan Saga, the ruling class of fire breathers presides over 5 bicolor clans that engage in skirmishes and fierce competitions with their rivals. Signature mechanics include Bolster, Rebound, Exploit, Dash, and Formidable. You can power up creatures with Megamorph, and it features Fate Reforged tribal icons. It places an emphasis on alliances. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Magic Booster Boxes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Conspiracy Take the Crown is all about manipulation and intrigue, starting with the draft itself, in which cards have effects before the game even begins, and players must contend with shifting rules as they build their armies and stake their claim to the throne. It allows free-for-all play following the draft and introduces monarch designation, but it's not got the most exciting pulls. Moving up our list to number 6, Return to Ravnica sets the stage for open warfare when the Guild Pact is broken, throwing the plane and its inhabitants' allegiances into chaos, as guilds call upon signature Detain, Overload, Unleash, Scavenge, and Populate spells to defeat their enemies. It comes with multicolored gold and hybrid cards, and employs dual mana gates. This one has more sorcery than creatures. Halfway up our list at number 5. Embrace the darkness and form unholy alliances to conquer the nightmare-scape of Innistrad in Eldritch Moon. Meld and emerge mechanics escalate the drama as survivors of the apocalypse fight for supremacy in the aftermath of the realm's devastation. It includes double-faced cards and madness and delirium abilities, but there's not much variety in the run. At number 4, the Core Set 2019 is the first such collection to come out after their supposed discontinuation in 2015. It contains several strong cards, including Nico Bolas, the Ravager, which is an immensely powerful planeswalker, if you can play all 3 colors needed to cast it. The story follows dueling twin dragons, and there's a good ratio of rares to commons. However, it doesn't include a buy a box promo. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, fans of the history of the game will appreciate the Masters 25 set, which was designed as a celebratory compilation to kick off the 25th anniversary of the first packs ever created. It recreates a number of great cards. It's watermarked with the original symbols, and there's a good chance to pull a Jace. It includes 12 alpha reprints. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Magic Booster Boxes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, in the Gatecrash collection, 10 guilds vie for control of the ancient metropolis of Ravnica. Gold and hybrid cards raise the stakes for planeswalkers, who must strategically combine their strengths and allegiances to cast multicolor spells in the battle for Dominion. This one's great for sealed play and drafting, and features compelling storylines and mixed mana and complex mechanics. And taking the top spot on our list, Ultimate Masters is a set that the company claims will be the last to come out in the Masters series, and it's a particularly good choice for players of discard decks, as many of its cards interact in some way with the graveyard. It contains lots of powerful draws and a foil box topper. It could gain value over time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Magic Booster Boxes, or simply click beneath this video.